my friends, and welcome to Hannover, where at the Opera House we're going to set up an installation on the latest of Gerrit's Optiblack PVCs. I'm being joined by Juna.
Hi.
One of your colleague viewers. She's an apprentice at a nearby theatre, and today she's going to learn something. I leave this to you to decide if things you learn from me are good things or not. We're going to see over the course of this video how to install a PVC within a round staircase with some clamps that I'm going to introduce to you in a different video. I'll link it up here. And we'll be doing it in here. And from up here we have this magnificent view into the staircase. And we're trying to set up the square of Optiblack between those two rails, and hopefully the projector can sit here in this corner. And they sent this little parcel to me to have me try out the Optiblack 2.0.1, I guess. It's a new embossing, and this new embossing will help the distribution of light from a back projection towards the audience. So the hotspot should be even reduced, and maybe the embossing also helps with the gloss on the front side. Basically, what we're trying to find out is this embossing better or not? This is something I want to try out for myself. Now let's unpack this, but quick disclaimer. Never use a knife for unpacking a PVC. That's not a good thing to do. Even if it's packed really, really thoroughly, like this one, don't use a knife. Because with a knife you might easily cut this thing, and in most cases we're talking about thousands of euros or dollars for a PVC, so you don't want to cut into this like some stupid intern in some supermarket who cuts open the milk boxes while unpacking them. You know what I'm talking about. Alright, let's do this. There is a matte and a glossy side. This is the glossy side with the outside. Usually it is marked, and is usually there where the seams, when it's welded, have their open end. So this is the back side, usually, where there's this open end. So this would be welded around this way. And this is the matte side, and it's the new embossing. And it really looks stunningly even. This is Gerrit's Easy Fix. The idea is to press down on the material in the slot because of the slight angle. You put something between, and then you press this into the holding, and thus it presses on the material, and it presses those little dents, those little teeth they have here, into the material, while this other side is kind of smooth. Apart from the slightly sloppy hanging job that we did here due to the, well, few clamps we could adjust to this round railing of this staircase, the Optiblack is still this great hotspot avoiding, stray light avoiding material for rear projection. The surface with the new embossing is really nice to look at. It has this silky quality, and it's really nice to see from really close up. If and when it comes out with this new embossing, it might be the go-to material for rear projections, even when it's closer up like now. Because I think with a strong projector, the weaker projectors really fight with a 0.2 gain. With a stronger projector, this is a really nice material to have your images projected. This video is not sponsored in any way, but I just got this piece for the exhibition maybe consider subscribing to the channel to not miss out on any other product reviews, and I'll be seeing you next time.